Welcome to today's Tapswap daily combo. The code for today, let's head to that tab. Right, so make sure that you've claimed your daily mining from your bots. Then head to the tab section. This is the third code, so click on start mission. It says watch the video and find the code and paste it here. So the code for today is 548719. So just click on submit and click on finish. So you can see we have our reward already, so just click on claim. That's that. So also, to make sure that you earn enough on Tapswap, make sure that after exhausting this particular one here, make sure that you use the boosts. You have 3 full tank and 3 type gurus to actually claim the daily rewards. This will help you to earn more other than the daily coin that we claim or the one that the bots claim for you. Alright, see you tomorrow again for the 4th day video on how to claim that. Have a wonderful time.